Hey, what is going on, my fellow jewelers? So today I want to make your mask wearing a little bit more blingy, a little bit more fun. I got some lanyards. That's right. I got some cute lanyards for holding your mask or wearing your mask. Now I know we're kind of getting out of the whole mask thing, but there are a couple of my friends in fields that masks probably won't go away for a while. So those that are in the hospitals or doctor offices, those that are teaching or counseling in schools. And so I want to help you a little bit look cuter as you have to wear a mask. That's right. Ooh, so today I'm teaching you two different kind of lanyards to wear, two different lanyard necklaces to wear. This one has cute little blingy beads. Ooh, so cute. And this one actually has a double chain. And they're so easy to make. And so I'm super excited. You know, I love chic and easy, and these are all about the chic and easy today. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click that bell to get notifications, because I'm all about the how-tos of jewelry making. That's right. You better be looking cute, cute, cute. So you and me, let's get started. Okay, let's make these two mask lanyard necklaces. Now, the material and the tools, they are in the description below. Also, some of the chain, I will put a link for where you can purchase them in the description below, but let's get started. So the first one I want to do is the single strand necklace. I thought it'd be cute to put some beads on there, and so I will show you how to put two loops on both sides of the beads. So the first thing you need to do is you need to grab your head pin. Grabbing my head pin right now. I am going to put my bead where I still have a little bit of wire. Now, if you've never done two loops on a bead, then I have done a video on it and you can check out that tutorial. I'm just going to bend it at a 90-degree angle with my round nose pliers, and I'm going to curl it around, curl it around, curl it around. And I'm doing this pretty fast. And so again, if this is a little overwhelming, just go to that tutorial and it'll show you slowly, step by step, how to do it. So I cut off the excess. I'm bending this at a 90-degree angle, and I am going to curl it around, and there I have a loop on this side and a loop on this side, and I have done that for 6 beads, so these are already done. So now what I want to do is I want to kind of have them be not right at the mask, so I am going to cut about probably 2 inches. I'm going to cut about 2 inches on one side. And then I am going to cut the same amount. It doesn't matter which side you do it, because it just doesn't matter. And so what I'm going to do is I could measure them, or I could count the links, but I like to put it on my head pin. I like to put it on they're on my head pin. And then I like to measure it that way. And so I use gravity. I bring down my cutter tool, and then I cut them. And so then I have two perfectly same size chain. So now I'm going to put those to the side, put these to the side. So now I am going to put my beads on my chain and then put this chain back on. I just think it looks super cute. I'm super excited. So I'm just going to hook 3 beads together. So what you're going to do is you are going to open up one side of your loop. You're going to open up one side. I'm opening it up, and then I'm going to grab one of the beads, and I'm going to put the loop through, and I'm going to close this back up. I need to close this up because if I don't, if there's a gap in there, your necklace, your lanyard is going to fall apart. You're going to make sure that both sides are not falling apart. Oh, this is so cute. Now, they do have chain you can purchase that's just bead chain, and I can put a link for that in the description below as well, and those are super cute, so you don't have to do this process. You can have it already pre-made for you and have the whole chain look like this. But I like to just add a little bling to my jewelry making. And so now I opened up the loop, and I put my 2 beads on my 1 bead, and now I'm just going to close it up again, and I'm going to close up both sides because I left both sides open. So I'm going to close up this side, straighten it out. You need to straighten it out so it's not so crooked, because it's sometimes your loops get a little crooked, and you're just going to straighten out every bit. I am going to add this to one side of my chain. Okay, I'm going to add this to one side of my chain. So I'm going to open the loop up again on one side, right? Open the loop up on one side, and I'm going to add chain. So I put my last link on the loop, and I'm going to close up my loop, making sure again there's no gap because we don't want the chain to fall off. This is super cute. Oh my goodness, I love it. Okay, so now it's like that, and then on the other side I'm going to add one of these small chains that I just cut off, right? This about 2-inch chain. And this is what is going to connect to my lobster clasp, which will connect to my mask. And so now I am going to open one side. So I'm going to open one side, and then I'm going to put my chain on. I'm going to put the last link on one side on, and I'm going to close this up. I'm going to close this up. Isn't that super cute? You just have a little bling in the middle of your necklace on your lanyard. It's so cute. Okay, do you see that? So what you're going to do is you are going to do the exact same thing on this side, okay? So this side needs 3 beads and the extra chain. So what we did just now, do the exact same thing on the other side, and then I will help you with the other part. Okay. So do you see how we did the exact same thing on the other side, and this is where we're going to put our 2 lobster clasps so we can connect it to our mask. So what we're going to want to do is for one side, we're going to take our jump ring. Now these jump rings, they come with the chain that I get at Walmart. So I got some chain at Walmart, and they come with 2 lobster clasps and jump rings. And so you can totally get your chain at Walmart, or you can get it at Amazon. So I opened up my jump ring, I put my lobster clasp on, and then I'm putting my chain through, and I need to close up this jump ring. If you've never done jump rings before, I made a tutorial on it, and it's super easy, but I'm going through it kind of quickly because I already made a tutorial. So now I need to close up my jump ring right here, right now. Ooh, look at that. It's coming together. Bum-ba-dum, bum-ba-dum, bum-ba-dum. So now I'm going to do the exact same thing on the other side. It is seriously that simple to make a cute lanyard. So I'm going to go through it quickly. You're going to open up, put your lobster clasp on one side, and then you're going to put your chain through, and then we're going to close up our lobster clasp. Isn't that so cute? Oh my goodness, I love it, I love it, I love it. So now we made that, let's make the other one really quick. It's gonna be super easy, super quick. So now what I wanna do is, I wanna make a double chain. You know, feeling cute, feeling like I need a double chain. So what you're gonna do is, I got this chain off of Amazon, I got this chain at Walmart. I am going to make sure they're exact same length. I already did that, but make sure your chain is the exact same length, right? Because it looks kind of wonky if it's not. So what we're gonna do is, we are gonna grab our jump ring. We're gonna open it up. It's this simple. It's this simple to be this cute. That's funny. I'm going to put one chain on. I'm going to put my other chain on. And then I'm going to put my lobster clasp on. And then I'm going to close it up. I am going to close it up. Make sure when you close it up that there is no gap, because you don't want any of the chain or the lobster clasp coming off. So I did that on one side. I'm going to stretch it out, and I'm going to do that on the exact same thing on the other side. So go ahead and do that. Okay. And so there, my fellow jewelers, or those that just want a cute lanyard mask, there you have your second lanyard. So I have one lanyard that has 2 chains on it, and one lanyard that just has 1 chain. If you just want to, now just tip for you, if you just want to have 1 simple chain, no bling on it, whatever, you can just do the same thing, but just do your jump ring and your lobster clasp, and just do a simple chain, whatever you want. All right. Didn't I say this was totally cute, chic, and easy? Didn't I say that? You were gonna be looking cute wearing a mask and not wearing a mask. That is right. And so I know that the pandemic is still going on, and some of us had vaccines, some of us have not. Some of us don't have to wear a mask anymore. Some of us still have to wear a mask whether we got a vaccine. And so I just want to thank those that are in careers like at hospitals and schools and other places where you're serving the community, and it looks like you're going to be have to wearing a mask for a long time because it's just not safe for you not to wear a mask. So again, I just want to give a big shout out. Thank you so much for serving their community. And yeah, so I hope you enjoyed my video. Give me a big old thumbs up, comment, share, like. I'd love to hear your thoughts on it. But before I go, you know I love praying for my viewers, and I'm sure you can guess what I want to pray for. I want to pray for those that are in the hospitals and schools and other careers that are interacting with a lot of people and just are putting themselves on the line for the community. I have a distant relative that works in the hospital, and she got the virus, and she was sick for months on end, like months. Like it really messed with her system and stuff, and it just breaks my heart. And she finally, after months, got back to working. I have a friend who's a counselor at a school, and just her interactions with the kids and the families on a daily basis. And I'm just so touched by your love for the community and how you just continue to put yourself out there for the community. So I'm going to pray for you. All right. So God, I just thank you for those that are working in the hospitals, in schools, and other careers that are dealing with the community on a daily basis. God, I pray protection for them. God, physically, God, I pray that you give them strength. God, I pray for their mental health, God, that you would give them peace. God, the things they've been through, the emotions they've been through this year, whether anxiety, fear, just tiredness. God, I pray that you would renew their strength, renew their mental strength as well. God, renew their minds. God, I thank you that you're with them. God, I pray you continue to be there to lead and guide and protect. In Jesus' name, amen. All right, guys, thank you so much for tuning in, and I'll catch you on the next video. Bye!